Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to start a dispute on AliExpress. So before starting a dispute on AliExpress, you should understand when you can do that. And for example, you can do that when your order never arrived, or for example it arrived but it came damaged, wrong, fake or missing parts, or for example when item doesn't match description. Okay, so let's open AliExpress and go to account at the bottom and enter my orders tab. Now you should select order that you want to dispute for, tap on it to open its details, so it should look like this, and you want to find open dispute button and press it. And this will redirect you to this dispute page. So now you want to fill in this form. Okay. So you want to pick whether you want to have refund only or refund and return item. So you should select the first option when you want to keep your item and get your money back, or the second option, refund and return item, when you want to send your item back and get full refund for your item. Then you should select dispute reason. So you want to tap this arrow and you will get a list of reasons and pick one. Then you should enter refund amount. So you need to enter full refund amount if your package didn't arrive at all, or partial amount if you will keep your item but you want some money back. Then you should specify why you're requesting your refund. So here in this box you should write in details why you need to do that. And last but not least, that you should upload evidence. So basically this is proof that that you can get your refund for that item. So upload photos, videos, maybe screenshots, chat with the seller, whatever that will support you. And do not forget to submit it by pressing this red submit button. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.